A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever think about when them did start to plan so them a go kill Jesus? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, then now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 3 from verse 1 to verse 6. One another day, Jesus go back at the Jew them church, and one man with one cripple hand did there. The Pharisee them watch Jesus like one hawk to see if him did go make the man better pan the Sabbath. So then could have something to say against him. So Jesus said to the man with the cripple hand, say, "Turn up in front of everybody." Then him asked the people, which one the law say we can do on the Sabbath? Fi do good or fi do bad? Fi save somebody life or fi cause somebody fi dead? But nobody never say a word. Jesus look round upon them and him did well vex. And it burn him fi see how they hard is. So he said to the man, say, "Stretch out your hand." The man stretch out his hand and his hand get better. So same time, the Pharisee them left out and go start plan with Herod follower them to kill Jesus. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.